If you could forsake my awful blemishes and mistake my art for penmanship and mistake my penmanship for anything legible or better, then I would like to write you a letter, and it would say, "Dear you, maybe they can't hear you, but I can see you and you're precious. And they fought the worst you and they tried the worst me, but they ain't seen the best us. And they tried us with all sorts of maniacal things to test us. They tried to infiltrate, humiliate, and molest us. They tried to rape us, make us so we don't walk with our necks up. They tried to push us with Bush, turn the whole world into Texas. They didn't give a fuck, they fucking monster truck wrecked us. They Hurricane Katrina, FEMA, gay male sexed us, but we're still here like Miss Seeley. We may be black and ugly, but it's really a big deal when my people don't get real. We just get silly and dumber and not smarter and weaker and not harder and proving ourselves inferior because our asses is not bothered, but we got numbers on charts up, while pie charts of demographics that are highly populated with blacks suggest higher crime, unemployment, and other stereotypical facts. I'm writing letters and endeavors just to better my people. See, my favorite drink is the ink, and I'm starting to think it's lethal, so I would like to write you this letter even if it kills you before it kills me. And it would say, "Furthermore, it seems these days slaves are much less southern for. Field niggas are running north either to put food in family cupboards or being yoked by yachts blinging. But this bureaucratic bullshit is so basic. Being bamboozled began with bolts and bracelets. Whatever happened to finding freedom and your wife and your kids and providing the life for them you dreamed of when we were in confinement? See, I don't really mind the diamonds, but what kind of life can you live constantly blaming justice when you too have been blinded? Separating white rock stains fingertips just like pricks from picking cotton, nigga. And in case you forgotten, nigga, the very land you stand on was probably never legally bought, so nigga, you can own it too. And you better. 'Cause you're better, and you're clever, and that's one of the many reasons I would like to write you this letter, this love letter." And it would say, "Has anybody told you that we're free? But we're we. So dear you, dear me, sincerely,